Hi, I'm Isabella. Over the next few weeks, I'll be demonstrating the use and benefits of the LifeForce range. Today, I'm applying LifeForce Gold to my garden. I'll go through the brochure and demonstrate how I use the product. With LifeForce Gold, I can achieve great results easily without worrying about nutrient imbalance or lockups that can happen when there is an oversupply of a particular mineral in the soil. A common mistake gardeners make, me included, some years ago, is to be too heavy-handed with fertilizers and amendments. Because more is better, right? Wrong. Like everything in nature, healthy soil has a fragile ecology that is easily unbalanced. With LifeForce Gold, all I need to do is follow the instructions for fantastic results. So, let's get started. You can find a product brochure and the gardener's guide via links in the description below. Now, let's have a look at what the gardener's guide tells us about LifeForce Gold. LifeForce Gold is a complete fertiliser and soil conditioner with multiple ingredients that have been composted in a high carbon base. The broad range of minerals are correctly balanced and billions of beneficial microbes are present to ensure optimal delivery of the nutrients. All major minerals and micronutrients are included in this living synergistic formulation. It supplies perfect food for the soil, the microbes and the plants, and is the ideal pre-plant option for your home or school gardens. This is the best balanced foundation fertiliser on the market, and it can serve to condition your soils or create a functional mineral base and promote your soil life. Apply at a rate of 200 grams or 1 cup per square metre. Sprinkle around tree crops and existing plantings. Blend the fertiliser into the topsoil for new planting areas. Blend 15 grams of LifeForce Gold per litre of potting media. LifeForce Gold is ideal for your vegetable gardens, fruit trees, lawns, exotic or ornamental gardens and pot plants. Avoid over-application on natives. Fruit trees and ornamentals will benefit from a spring feed, while vegetables and flower crops may require more frequent feeding. These hungry crops respond well when they receive a light feed every 3 months. Top dress lawns in spring. In summer rainfall districts, an application after the wet season will replenish the leached nutrients. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more great content. You can find printer-friendly PDFs in the link to my blog in the description below. I'd love to hear from you, so please post in the comments section. Until next time, take care.